There's no glitch in the matrix. It's just me getting ready to show you the recipe, but you'll soon discover that there is a difference between knowing it and cooking it. You choose. Take the blue pill and shut this video off and go back to your boring, flavorless life, or the red pill and learn how to master easy Thai curry. But first, I'd like to thank our sponsor, Melissa's Produce. When you order from melissas.com, it always feels like Christmas the day the shipment arrives. You'll get the freshest, most beautiful produce handpicked from around the world and never have to worry about getting a boring old pair of socks. Melissa's, it's better than Christmas. And now back to our program. What is curry? Simply put, it involves the preparation of a meat or vegetable dish in a heavily spiced sauce. Thai curry usually involves crushed chili paste and coconut milk, but the combination of vegetables and meat is entirely up to you. We're going to start by chopping our Indian eggplant, like El Chapo, and then some carrots. Pretty much any vegetable works in Thai curry. Onions, bell peppers, chopped pumpkin, and for meat, if you must, chicken, beef, pork, and shrimp are the most common. Some other common ingredients in Thai curry include fish sauce, lime leaves, which we will substitute with lime juice, brown sugar, and oftentimes crushed peanuts, which can easily be substituted with a spoonful of crunchy peanut butter. If you're actually in Thailand and you have an allergy, use caution because sometimes you'll get nuts when you least expect it. Oh yeah, and if you can get your hands on some of these beauties, Thai chilies bring it to the next level. Depending on your heat preference, you can add 1 or 2 or more if you dare. Alright folks, let's get started by heating up some coconut oil. The exact amounts and the full recipe is in the description. Make sure to get that nice and hot before we add 2 tablespoons of our favorite Thai chili paste, which we can find in the Asian section of any grocery store these days. We want to let that chili paste cook in the coconut oil for a few minutes until it becomes fragrant. And notice I tossed in the Thai chilies to toast at this point. Then we're going to add a can of coconut milk. Watch how quickly all of this goes. It's important to have all of your ingredients prepped and ready. See how I'm breaking up the chili paste so that it cooks evenly into the sauce? We want these flavors to marry. Now the chicken stock. Layer upon layer. Then some brown sugar. A bit of chunky peanut butter. You'll be surprised. Now some lime juice. Then comes one of the most important ingredients, fish sauce. Again, you can find it in the Asian section of your local grocery. For the protein, I'm using boneless, skinless chicken thighs, but if you prefer breasts, that's fine too. Eyes up here, please. Next come the root vegetables. We need to give them about 5 minutes to cook before adding the more delicate bell pepper and eggplant.
5 minutes later.
Now we can add them. Now that all the ingredients are in, we just need to give them some time for all the flavors to cook together. Trust me when I say this tastes just as good as any curry at any Thai restaurant. Oh yeah, look at that bubbling action. Sauces are seductive, don't you agree? We're going to simmer this for anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes. The length is up to you. And you can do it with the lid on or the lid off to help reduce the curry to your desired thickness. Basically, length and thickness is a matter of preference. So if you're ready to take the red pill and open your eyes for the first time, make sure you whip up a fresh batch of jasmine rice and proclaim that you are the one, because I can only show you the door. You're the one who has to walk through it. And as always, thanks for watching.